This guy was going too fast in the corner and toppled his truck over. But what's even crazier is that he had not engaged his parking brakes, and once the truck was on its wheels again, it went back where it came from. The truck driver did not strap down the excavator properly. What ended up happening was that the excavator was on its side in the middle of the road. Now, no one can pass even if they want to go or even if they're coming back. No one can pass this excavator unless or until it's out of the truck. Ever seen a floating excavator? Well, now you have. The track does not want to work anymore. This is just a collection of small and silly mistakes. I don't think these guys even consider safety an option. I think they just sit and just start working, or they'd work on the edge of the cliff if they have to.
Primo, salí, seguí saliendo.
Imagine having such long arms. What would you do if you had such long arms? These guys need it for work. The amount of skill that is required, you cannot. Someone let this excavator retire. This is why you never work an excavator in slippery conditions. This is honestly so satisfying to watch. I could watch this for hours, honestly. What do you think? One small mistake and everything goes to shit. This driver made one mistake and he ended up losing his excavator. This is straight up gangster vibes. Honestly, it's good to have fun while you're working. Would he have climbed this without the help? I don't think so. What went wrong here? This guy discovered a rock for the first time. This is why he's swinging it. This is honestly childhood goals. I wish I had this when I was little. Honestly, wherever I see destruction, it is so satisfying to watch. I know that's not something good, but still, isn't this satisfying? Like, watch how it crumbles. I don't think this task is for an excavator. This tractor owner knows how to have fun.
تكنولوجيا عشدنها تكنولوجيا